Hello everyone. As we were doing the chapter number 2 of accountancy, basic terms of accounting. Yesterday we have completed 5 terms. The number 1 transaction, number 2 events, number 3 capital, number 4 drawings, and number 5 was account. Now it's time for the next term, means the 6th term, which is liabilities. Important term. What are liabilities? In common language, we can say that liabilities is the burden on business. Now, what type of burden? Burden of payment. It means the burden to make the payment in future. Suppose हम कहीं से लोन लेते हैं, तो it is the responsibility of business that a business has to pay the amount of loan in near future. So we can say that liabilities are the obligations on a business to pay in to make the payment in near future. Or we can say that liabilities are the amounts which the business owes to the outsider. Business owes to outsider are called liabilities. Owes means उधारी, कि बिजनेस के ऊपर पैसा जो है वो उधार है. Now the liabilities of a business are classified into 2 broad categories. Number 1, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. And number 2 is current liabilities. Now the question arises that what are non-current liabilities and what are current liabilities. Non-current liabilities are those liabilities on a business which a business has to pay, or we can say the payment of which the business has to make after a period of 1 year. It means these are for more than 1 year. More than 1 year. For example, long-term loan. Long-term loan. What is loan? Loan means to borrow from somewhere. जैसे कि बिजनेस कहीं किसी बैंक से लोन लेता है तो भाई उसका फ्यूचर में पेमेंट करना होगा. But there is a word which is prefix before loan is long term. Long term means for more than 1 year. So long term loan is an example of non-current liability because the payment of loan is to be made after a period of 1 year. The second example is debenture. Debenture is also the example of non-current liability. The third example is long-term provisions. These are some examples of non-current liabilities. Now the next category of liabilities is current liabilities. That what are current liabilities? Current liabilities are those liabilities on business, the payment of which has to be made within a 1 year. Means these liabilities only for the 1 year, within 1 year. Within 1 year. ऐसे लाइबिलिटीज जिनका पेमेंट बिजनेस को सिर्फ 1 साल के अंदर ही अंदर करना पड़ता है, these types of liability are called the current liabilities of business. We can take the example of current liabilities. Short term loan. Short term loan. In non-current liability I have used the word long term. In current liability, I have used the word short term. Short term means period of 1 year. The second example is creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft. These are the overdraft. These are some examples of current liabilities. So, in conclusion, we can say that liabilities are the amount which the business owes to the outsider. The liabilities of business are divided into 2 categories: non-current liabilities, the payment of which is to be made after a period of 1 year, and current liabilities are those liabilities the payment of which is to be made within a 1 ईयर।